In this video, I'm showing you how Acuity Scheduling will save you time and money. Hi, I'm Jess, the multitasking maven. Every day I help entrepreneurs like you set up systems for success. In fact, I have a quick and dirty Acuity Scheduling guide linked below to get you started today. The first step in saving time and money in your business is to set up an Acuity Scheduling account. Acuity Scheduling does everything for you, and I'm going to show you bits and pieces of it right now. What we're seeing here is my in-depth 27-page guide workbook walking you through every single step with setting up your Acuity Scheduling account. This is much more in-depth than the free guide. This guide is also linked below. So let me show you the table of contents that is in this free guide. So what this guide will do, and I'm only showing you bits and pieces of it, but it will walk you through syncing with your calendar, setting up your availability, appointment types, offering the classes. There are two types of appointments. One is a one-on-one and another is a class. And if you offer a class, pro tip, you have to actually offer the class on the day and time you want to offer it. Another thing that we're going to get into today are the intake forms, integrations, email reminders and confirmations, and follow-up emails. And then, of course, the bonus of packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions. So first step, as we already know, the obvious. You want to save time and money in your business. You set up an Acuity Scheduling account and you get it set up ironclad. You want it to be perfection. So you can get this guide to walk you through it, or you can schedule me and I can do it for you. So in saving time in your business, you're going to set up your availability. You're only going to be available to take one-on-one clients or to offer a class or your class, to teach a class when you want to. So that is automatically saving you time because you are setting up your boundary. Secondly, you're going to set up the appointments that you want to offer. So if you are an Acuity Scheduling whiz, but I only want to offer classes for how to set people up, just syncing the calendar, appointment types, offering a class, etc., then that's the class that I'm going to offer. Again, this is all about creating boundaries for your business, which is going to save you time. That way you're not going to be all over the place and answering every email that says, can we meet for 5 minutes just so that, nope. Go to my website. You'll see when I am available. And P.S., if you're not available until next week, that's okay because you are staying focused in your business and you're making money elsewhere. So availability and appointment types. As we talked about, intake forms. You know when you go to the doctor and they give you a form that you have to check off and sign, etc.? Well, an intake form, is exactly that for your appointments. If you have an onboarding experience they need to know about, if they're going to be 5 minutes late and they forfeit a class, or if you have a liability waiver, if you want to know if they want to join your newsletter list, these are all in intake forms and they are so convenient and electronic. You set them up once and you're good to go. So it helps not only you keep all of your ducks in a row, but it also adds to the level of professionalism that you are offering to your clients and or students. So integrating with video conferencing and with payments and with email marketing is a huge time saver. And of course, when you are saving time, you are saving money. So the more systems you have in your business, the more time you're saving and the more money you're saving because you're not just randomly doing things. You're not randomly emailing people or forgetting to email people that Zoom link. This is all automated and taken care of for you. So Acuity Scheduling has many integrations, but the one that we do immediately is your video and your payments. Because when you're offering that beginner Spanish class for $20, you will automatically get paid. Your student will automatically receive the Zoom link because you have set up your email confirmations and your email reminders. This means that Sally, who is going to take the beginning Spanish class, when they pay the $20, they will automatically get an email confirmation. 24 hours before, they will be reminded with the Zoom link. About an hour before, another reminder with the Zoom link. And then you're welcome to send a follow-up email if you'd like. just to get an idea of, send a survey, how they felt, what questions they had, etc. All of these things can be branded and they can be set up in your voice. This guide here will walk you through how to do just that. And I can do it for you. I have a package where you surrender Acuity Scheduling to me and I get it all done for you. But this is just a snippet of the in-depth guide that I have, but it is also being very honest about how you are saving time and money by implementing Acuity Scheduling. Another benefit of Acuity Scheduling, which is actually a money maker, would be to enroll in the plan that offers packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions. It's kind of obvious what they are, but packages would be, you want to offer 5 private yoga sessions at a reduced price. A gift certificate, happy birthday. And a subscription is, you're offering beginner Spanish for 3 months and you want to have someone subscribe to that 3-month class that you're offering. I cannot stress the importance of packages, gift certificates, and subscriptions just to have them available to make money and to save some time because, again, it's all integrated with the emails, the reminders, the follow-ups. And that is how you can save a very brief overview of how you can save time and money by implementing Acuity Scheduling. Watch this video for more help with Acuity Scheduling and subscribe below. I can be your OBM, YouTube, Acuity Scheduling, multitasking maven. See you soon.